Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Siti Nuanta Short and I'm teacher free. The metric number is 08DEU20F2002. I'm from class DEU3A. Today I want to show you and I want to tell you about how to clean your washing machine using baking soda and white vinegar. Now, I want to ask, what is this important thing or why is important we want to clean our washing machine? This is because we want to avoid the germs, the dirty, and the smell in the washing machine. Now, let's go. We watch how to clean the washing machine.
Firstly, a towel was prepared and was placed into a basin by us. Secondly, to avoid any dangerous thing, the mask and the glove was worn by us. Thirdly, the towel that have to soak in was caught by the white vinegar. Then, the inner wall of the washing machine was wiped by the towel. After that, into the washing machine was thrown the towel. After that, to wring the vinegar out of the towel was pressed by the spoon. To let while softened in the washing machine, we waited in 50 minutes. Then, the towel was taken out after 50 minutes. After that, into the basin was poured by the 5 tablespoons of the baking soda. Then, into the basin was poured by a warm water. After that, the mixture was stirred by the spoon. After that, into the washing machine was poured by a mixture. Then, button was pressed at the wash. Then, the baking soda did the work was waited in 50 minutes. The water after 50 minutes was drained by a washing machine. After that, the wash button was pressed again by us. Then the water was drained by a washing machine. So this is the result.